Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Beauty is Joy Forever. Today I will show you some trendy nail designs in my video. If you like my videos, then subscribe my channel and share my videos to your loved ones. Thank you. In this video, you can see very beautiful nail art and designs according to your occasions, your festivals and your dresses. You can adopt all these designs for looking glorious and very beautiful all day. Nail designs refer to the art and decoration applied to fingernails and toenails. They can range from simple patterns, colors to intricate designs using the various techniques and materials. Nail design have become increasingly popular in recent years, with nail art salons and dyes tutorial providing a wide array of options for people to express their creativity and style. Here are some popular nail designs, trends and techniques. A classical and timeless design feature a nude or light colored base with a white tip. This technique creates a gradient effect, blending two or more colors from light to dark or vice versa. These are adhesive nail stickers or decals that comes in various designs and patterns, making it easy to achieve a unique look without the need for painting. Adding three-dimensional elements like gems, studs, pearls, or even tiny sculptures to create a texture and eye-catching design. Applying a matte top coat or using matte nail polish for a non-glossy velvety finishing. Using a gel nail polish and a UV or LED lamp for a long-lasting and glossy finishing. Leaving portions for the nail bare or unpainted to create geometric shapes or cut down designs. Nail art with applying small adhesive or beautiful designs to make your fingernails very beautiful. Artificial nails such as acrylic or gel extensions offer several benefits to individuals. So choose to wear them. Here are some potential advantages of artificial nails. These are all about nail designs for you. Thanks for watching. Thank you.